Hi, I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about one aspect of Google Analytics, and that's daily web hits. Where this becomes very effective for you is if you're advertising, let's hypothetically say on TV, 2 weeks a month. People are more likely to go to your website when they hear or see your message than to initially call you. Actually, they're far more likely to do it. So, one aspect of Google Analytics gives you the ability to see how many people have come to your website on a daily basis. Now, if you're advertising 2 weeks a month, if you got those daily web hits for every day over the past month, during the weeks you were advertising, you should see spikes. And if you see spikes in viewership, that should translate to people calling. If not, you may want to talk to your web people and make some tweaks to your website. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.